How do you go beyond true HEPA and clean the air like never before? Easy. You add Silver Screen. True HEPA is famous for capturing most of what's in your air, including things like pollen, mold, and smoke. But it doesn't capture everything, and what's left can be really harmful. Airborne bacteria like staph and strep, viruses too small for true HEPA, even VOCs released by everyday things like new carpet, paint, and cleaning chemicals. This is where most air cleaners stop, and Vornado Silver Screen takes over. Silver Screen combines the most effective UV spectrum with patented ultra-strong titanium dioxide screens. Even though you can't see it working, the screens and bulb work in natural harmony to destroy and disable much of what others miss. The UV light alters the DNA structure of unwanted microbes like viruses and bacteria, destroying their ability to do harm or reproduce. When combined with titanium dioxide, UV light can also destroy even smaller things, like VOCs. As air is drawn in, so is the water in the air. At the same time, the UV light combines with the titanium dioxide to create free radicals, which are simply atoms with unpaired electrons. The free radicals react with the H2O to form charged molecules, with a mission to destroy the VOCs true HEPA and UV alone missed. These charged molecules steal and share electrons, dismantling and reassembling the VOC molecule by molecule. After Silver Screen goes to work, all that's left is water and carbon dioxide. It's not science fiction, just science. This process is called photocatalytic oxidation, or more commonly known as PCO. But Silver Screen is not like any other PCO air purifier. It uses patented ultra-strong titanium dioxide screens. Built so strong that they last 5 years with no loss in performance. So strong that they withstand the most effective UV spectrum that causes the titanium dioxide in other PCO systems to degrade, all while creating less CO2 in a day than you create by exhaling one breath. It intelligently senses air quality and room condition. It powerfully purifies all the air. And it's guaranteed for 5 years. If you aren't satisfied, Vornado will make it right. So go beyond true HEPA and destroy what HEPA can't capture with Silver Screen. Only from Vornado.